Ever since the National Assembly was dissolved, there has been a needless controversy over which authority has a duty to appoint the election date. Article 48, subsection 5 of the Constitution clearly states that where the President dissolves the National Assembly, the President shall appoint a date for general elections. In the present case, the President Arif Alvi dissolved the National Assembly on the advice of former Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and therefore the power and duty to appoint the date vested with the President. On 13th September, however, the President wrote a letter stating that general elections should be held by 6 November. The President's letter stating when elections should be does not qualify as compliance with this constitutional command. At best, it was a proposal or suggestion that elections should be held in a particular time frame. The Election Commission claimed that it had the power to appoint the election date. This was also wrong, and the Constitution clearly states otherwise. This entire controversy over the election date has come at the expense of the 90-day time limit and has led to unnecessary litigation. Ultimately, the Supreme Court today stated that the Election Commission and the President are to meet and appoint a date for general elections. After meeting, a date of 8th February 2024 has been given. While this falls well beyond the 90-day time limit, since the 90-day limit lapses next week on 6 November, it is now clear that it cannot be complied with. The Constitution was violated when provincial elections were not held on time, and now the National Assembly elections have also not been held in the 90-day period. It's now for the Supreme Court to ensure that any constitutional violation is minimized and that any commitment with regards to an election date is implemented and enforced. As Justice Muneeb Akhtar stated in his written judgment ordering provincial elections earlier this year, democracy demands elections, the Constitution demands elections, time that there is some certainty in the country and it moves towards general elections.